What's going on, everybody? How are you? How's it going? This is Kathy McReynolds, your fun, money, and skill coach. What's going on, everybody? So I figured I would come on here and I just want to share with you this online tool that I use to help grow my business. And I think it is so duplicatable. It's so amazing and it saves you so much time. So let me see if I can get my screen share here so that we can help you. Oh, wait. Let's give me a second. Exit full screen. And we want a screen share. There we go. Okay. So we got it up. And now we're clicking on. So let me go ahead and just teach you how to do this. We're going to click on iPhone. And then I'm going to hit share screen. So I'm using a Zoom technology. I'm sure some of you guys know that, but you know, as we can teach and help you grow your business, that's the amazing part of it. So what I did, I got my iPhone here. You can see my iPhone, and I'm going to flip it up, and then I'm going to hit screen mirroring right there. So once I do that, you're going to be able to see what I have on my iPhone. I click that, voila! See, what? Like that, right? It's there. Okay, so now I'm just gonna pull that back down or just hit the home screen. And so what I'm gonna show you guys is how I utilize my phone, no matter where I'm at, to grow my business, and you can do the same thing. So it's pretty cool. And I love this online program. I love what we're doing. I probably get these notifications. I should have put the phone on do not disturb. Let me do that. Siri, put phone on do not disturb.
Okay, I turned on do not disturb.
Okay, see, I love Siri. She's kind of like my secretary there. Just put the phone on do not disturb. So now we won't get disturbed while we're doing this. And that's the beauty of it. So let's go over to OSP. And this is Online Sales Pro. Okay, Online Sales Pro right there. So that's what we're going to work with today. I'm going to show you how I utilize this in building my network marketing, multi-level marketing, affiliate marketing business. Whatever you're doing online, you can utilize this. And I love it. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to click on OSP. I'm going to take it back to the home screen there. Okay, so we got the home screen. Now I just started running some advertisements. We have a new book out. It's called The 7 Fundamental Hacks of Building Your Network Marketing Business, your MLM business online. So if you haven't got the link, I'll put that into, that's funny. I love that. Did you hear that cha-ching? That cha-ching is what happens. I couldn't have made that happen. That's what happens when you get a new lead. So last week we got 30 new leads. Now that's not a lot, guys. I mean, that part of the organization that I'm with, they get like 6,000 in a day. So it's starting to build your program up, knowing what you're working for so that you can help your business to grow. So you see how that number right there was 3. Now it's just changed to 4. And I hope it does. Okay, cool. It doesn't pop up to show who. So that just shows you right here. Here's how many leads so far this week. So just imagine, you know, that's 3 to 4 people every single day reaching out to you and just wanting to know more about your business. And I'll teach you all that other stuff that's popping up there. But that just lets you know how stuff just continues to go. So no matter where you're at, you can grow your business. Last week, 30, all time about 400. And that's over probably the last 4 or 5 months since I started using this program. Absolutely love it. And I had to share this with you because we're about growing your business on time, online, creating that lifestyle that you desire. So let me show you why I love this program, this particular program. So we're up. I'm always clicking on the computer. We're going to go here. So it has home leads, quick replies, notifications, scripts, rebuttals. So I'm going to start with the scripts. Let's go to the scripts. So you ever try to teach someone like, well, what do I say to people? How do I say something? So imagine if you can sit all your team down as part of your training and you just have them put the scripts that you want them to use inside a program, and it's all taken care of for you. So for example, let's go here to view. Let's go here to view on the phone. Now it says be in a hurry. Okay, so we know we talk about the 5 steps to setting appointments. 1, be in a hurry. 2, compliment. 3, make the invitation. 4, if I would you. So it goes through all the steps for you, so you know that person never leaves home without their phone. So they're going to have all of this on here. So imagine this. Okay, here's step 1. Be in a hurry. Hey, I'm slammed right now, but I got something really special to share with you. I'm about to jump into a meeting, but first I got something cool for you to see, right? And then you hit them with the compliment. Let me get that back. And then you hit them with the compliment. Here's the compliment. Let's view that. The compliment. A compliment shows that you care about them and not what you're trying to sell. You know, based on your work in the real estate agent, you seem like a very sharp person. You seem like a great go-getter. I love what you do. What got you into that? So you can put anything in here that you want to put in here. You can actually edit these scripts. So then you make the invitation. After you're making the invitation, you can tailor your invitations to match your career. So here's one. If I told you there was a way for you to create income on the side without jeopardizing what you're doing right now, would that be of interest? Can you imagine? You got like thousands of people on your team and they all have the same script and it's right there on their phone at all times and everyone's using the same program. I absolutely love this. Okay, so let's look at this one. The next one, you're looking for a little micro commitment. So you get people saying, well, how do I go from a conversation to actually showing them what we do? Right here, it tells them, if I sent you some information, you know, a link or PDF, what I'm doing to generate income while asleep, would you take a peek at it? If I share with you a link, would you take 7 minutes to review it? I mean, how simple is that, guys? That is amazing. Now, let's go to the next one. Get a commitment. You're looking for a specific time of a commitment. So when do you think you can review the information? See how non-threatening that is? So whatever scripts that you use that's successful at your company, you just program them in here. And then let's talk about confirming it. So you confirm that. If I contact you on Wednesday at 7, you have reviewed the information. So if I call you on Wednesday at 7, you would have watched a short video. See how you can now get commitments and you don't have a job chasing people. How about getting that phone number? And then you want to give it, what's the best number for me to reach you at? So they're on their phone. A lot of this is happening by text. So they're just copying and pasting. And then it shows them how to get off the phone, that little awkward moment. How do I end the conversation? How do I get that back on the screen? There we go. How do I end the conversation there? It says, great, you need to get off the phone. Great, we'll talk on Thursday. Gotta run. See how easy that is? I love, 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 love this. So check this out. You heard that cha-ching a little earlier. So what that cha-ching is, that means that somebody saw a post, they put some information in, and now is letting me know that they're looking at it. So now I can send back a quick reply. Let's look at the quick replies. You can either send them back right here through text. It gives you 3 options that you can put in, or you can send it back through email. And so there's 3 more options. So if we look up here and we go to the very first one, it says, hey, Johnny, thanks for reaching out. How ate you today? See, how are you today? How serious are you about working from home? You can see all of the misspells there. I was just doing that a few seconds ago. So let's go ahead and update that. And I'm going to set the phone down here. And, oh, shoot, I'm trying to type on there. Okay, so, hey, how are you today? How serious are you about working And if you're not the best speller or you type fast, you can type this on a message and then you can turn around and just paste it right on here. Hey, Johnny, thanks for reaching out. How are you today? Or you can say, what I normally say is, hey, Johnny, great. Hey, Johnny, great connecting with you, comma, how are you today? So you can put whatever you normally say, whatever's going to be duplicatable. But hey, Johnny, great connecting with you. How are you today? How serious are you about working from home? So I'm just going to go ahead and update that. So now once I have it updated, look, I go back to this one right here. What does it say? Boom. All I have to do is hit on that person's name. And when I hit on their name, and I'm not going to go through here because there's names on here. When I hit on their name, it'll give me the option to send a text. It'll give me the option to send a text. It'll give me the option to send an email or to customize a text. So I'll go ahead and take care of that. And then, so guys, I can be in the beach in Tahiti and it's still working. You can have teammates that are in Africa, in China, and everybody can have the same system. I love automating the business. This is the new way. This is the way to do this. So if you want to know more, just go in the comments, put send info, and we'll get you some more information on how you can be a part of this amazing what I call a duplicatable system so that you can get your business online and create the free lifestyle and the fun lifestyle that you want. This is Kathy McReynolds, your fun, money, and skill coach. Guys, if you got value from this and you know someone else who would love the value and they would like to be able to automate their business and help grow their team, go ahead and share this broadcast. And anybody who shares, I'm actually going to put you in a raffle if you share it. And then we got some amazing prizes to give away to you. All right, guys, Kathy McReynolds, your fun, money, and skill coach, and I will chat with you later. Have a great day.